network devices we are going to start in this lecture. There are various network devices such as repeaters, hub, switch, router and so on. First we will start with the repeaters. The first network device will start with the repeaters. What is repeater? A repeater, the name itself explained, it repeats the signal, it regenerates the signal. Okay. With the help of example, we will see why we have to use the repeaters. Okay, suppose this is a LAN, this is a LAN, this is a LAN 1 which is having 10 base 2 capacity. 10 base 2 means what? We have explained this, we have discussed this topic in the transmission media. 10 base 2 means what? 10 Mbps line, okay, 10 Mbps line. Base means baseband signal, means at a time a single machine can send the information, means baseband signal is used, and 2 is the length, that is 200 meter, which indicate it is a 200 meter. The LAN having the length of 200 meter, within a LAN up to 200 meter the signal can be sent or can be transferred. Okay. Now, the another LAN, this is the second LAN, LAN 2 local area network. Okay. This is also a 10 base 2, means again it is having a 10 Mbps line, having a baseband signal is used, and the length of 200 meter can reach the signal. Okay. Now, when from the LAN 1 it starts the information to transmit from this point to this point, the signal gets weak at this point. Okay. The signal will be, the strength of the signal is low at this point. Now, with the help of repeater, it repeats the signal, regenerates the signal. Okay. You might have heard about the amplifiers, but there is a huge difference between amplifiers and repeaters. Amplifier can double or triple the signal, but repeater will make the same strength. Suppose the strength of the signal is X at the input of repeater, then again it repeats the signal and it make as X, strength of the signal as X, means same strength is generated. Okay. Only it will boost the signal and repeat the signal, regenerate the signal, and then transmit the signal on the another part. Okay. Then what happen? Okay. By transmitting the signal with the help of a repeater from one LAN to another LAN, the distance for communication is increased. Instead of 200 meter, it is now 400 meter. Okay. In this way, length of the signal, range of the signal can be increased with the help of a repeater. Okay. What it does? It is having two port, it is a 2 port device. 2 port device means what? Which is having first port at the input and second port at the output, or this is 1, this is 2. It's a bidirectional, means first port and second port, that is why it is called as a 2 port device. Then whether forwarding is possible in repeater? Forwarding means what? Forwarding means what? Means suppose this is A want to communicate with B. Okay. A wants to communicate with B. So, whether it is possible with the help of repeater? Yes, it is possible. A can send the information to B with the help of a repeater. What else? Collision domain. What do you mean by collision domain? Means when multiple machines send the information simultaneously, the data gets collide with each other. Then what happen? When the collision occur, then the data will lose. So, what is the collision domain for this LAN? The collision domain for this LAN is N. And what is N? N is the number of devices. N is the number of devices, means whatever the number of devices are there will be the collision domain. Suppose this A, B, C, D, E, F, all machines are sending the information simultaneously, then the collision domain will be 6. Okay. Next, whether it does the filtering. Filtering means what? Filtering means, suppose this one or suppose this is x wants to communicate with y. Okay. Then what it does, this is the signal, this is the baseband signal transmitting through this LAN, and this is the baseband signal transmitting through this LAN. So, when x is transmitting the information to y, then what it does, it will not filter from x to y, it will transfer the information to all other devices also. Means x ने जो मैसेज ट्रांसमिट किया है वो y को ही नहीं मिलेगा, रिमेनिंग डिवाइसेस को भी मिल जाएगा. वाई? बिकॉज रिपीटर इज नॉट एन इंटेलिजेंट डिवाइस. ये इंटेलिजेंट डिवाइस नहीं है, ये एक हार्डवेयर है जो फिजिकल लेयर पे यूज होता है. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. रिपीटर इज ओनली यूज्ड एट द फिजिकल लेयर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. एंड देन it is having no filtering capacity. Why to filter the signal? Because only the signal, only the device which is intended for can receive the signal. No other devices should be able to receive that particular signal, but this facility is not available in the repeater. It cannot do the filtering. Filtering can be done for the smart devices like routers, switches, that we will study while we are studying the switch and router. Okay, this much is sufficient for the repeaters. In the next lecture we will see the working of hub. Thank you for watching the video.